guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today's video is going to be my grocery haul and meal plan for the week. So Ava and I went to the store this morning and just picked up groceries for the week for our meals. I'll show you the meal plan and I'll go through it with you guys. I haven't done one of these videos in so long, so I'm excited to bring it back to my channel. So without further ado, let's jump in. Okay, you guys, here is my grocery haul. I just picked up stuff for dinners this week, and then a couple things like for lunch today and stuff like that. So I got 2 boxes of mac and cheese. This was on sale, and I figured I could do that for lunch today. And then I got some bagels. So I got some French toast bagels and these apple cinnamon ones. They sound delicious. We got some more apples because Ava and I love apples. Got these matchsticks carrots for a recipe. Got some bananas because we always have to have those. Some celery. Got this roasted garlic turkey sausage for dinner tonight. It goes in the dish. And then I got some garlic toast, 2 cans of chicken broth, and 2 8-ounce blocks of the Neuchâtel cheese, however you say it. It's like the 3rd less fat version of cream cheese. I got some zesty Italian dressing mix, and then some au jus, turkey dogs to go with our mac and cheese for lunch. I got 2 jars of the Prego no sugar added sauce. For snacky stuff, I got light string cheese, and then I got this for myself, this combo pack with the Colby Jack and turkey stick. I got 2 things of iced coffee. This is my absolute favorite, and it's extremely hard to find. Actually, the blonde roast is my favorite, but I do like the medium roast. And then I got barbecue sauce, and this was actually on sale for $1.99. And it's gluten-free, and these are the ingredients, so really good, nutrition-wise. And then a can of navy beans. I got 2 boxes of rotini pasta because we don't have any of that. And then I got 2 boxes of chicken stuffing mix and 2 bags of chopped onions. Thank you, Mel, from In the Kitchen with Mama Mel, for turning me on to these because, like, this is a lifesaver for me. So yeah, that is everything that I got for groceries, so I'm gonna get that stuff put away. And then here is our meal plan for this week. So tonight I'm going to do what's called beanie weenies and biscuits, and I saw the beanie weenies recipe on Southern Farmhouse, I think is her channel. I'll have to look. I'll have to link her channel below. But that was one of her meals in her video, and it looked delicious, so I figured we could do that. Tomorrow I'm gonna do crock-pot cheesy Italian chicken with broccoli from Jessica O'Donoghue's channel. Love her videos. She has the best recipes ever. And then Tuesday, crock-pot ranch gravy steak with rice. Wednesday is another crock-pot meal. It's lazy chicken and dressing, and I'm gonna do green beans on the side. That one is from Mandy in the Makings channel. It was actually a subby supper recipe that she featured on her channel, so I will try to link that below as well. And then Thursday I'm gonna do pasta, meatball bake, and garlic bread. And then Friday I think I'm just gonna do like leftovers or pizza or whatever. But that's our meal plan for the week. So I'm excited to actually have like a plan in place for this week for dinner. So I've been needing to get back on my routine and back into my meal planning. So Ava's napping right now, but I just wanted to hop on here and say thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe below for more videos. I'm gonna try and film, I think, a what's for dinner video because I haven't ever filmed one of those before, and I want to try some of these recipes and like film them for you guys. So I'm gonna try to do that this week for you. And then if you have any other video suggestions or video ideas, leave them in the comments below. I'll try to do more like day in the life videos as well. And I'm just trying to like get back into the swing of things with YouTube. So I haven't quite figured out what I want my upload schedule to be, because I've tried like Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Tuesday, Thursday. So I don't know. What do you guys think? What days do you normally watch videos? So anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Through the fields of our paths, feelings part our ways, keeping us close but estranged now. Dreams holding us closer.